Where does the name for Pandytudur come from? So today I'm in Pandytudur. It's a very small village in the middle of Conwy County. Let's get into the name. Pandytudur is a small village that has grown around a crossing of the Afon Derfyn, which literally means boundary river. The name can be broken into two parts. Firstly, Pandy, which means a fulling mill, where wool is beaten and processed to remove oils and dirt. The word pandy can be broken down further into panni, which is a verb meaning to full wool or beat cloth, and tŷ, meaning a house. Historically, fulling was done in fulling mills, where water-powered hammers pounded the cloth. It was an essential step in medieval textile production, which improved the strength, warmth and water resistance of woolen fabric. Then we have Tudur, which is a person's name, with very old origins. It likely stems from a Proto-Celtic name, Totorix, which is made of toto, meaning tribe, the ancestor to the Welsh word tid, and rix, which meant a king or a ruler, so the ruler of the tribe. On an interesting side note, the word for exile in Welsh is alltid, all meaning out and tid meaning people or country. In Cornish, which is related to Welsh, they still use the word tis to mean people. So who was Tudur, who the village is named after? Well, actually he didn't exist. Now Pandytudur isn't the original name for the village, but actually Pandytudur. Bidir means dirty in modern Welsh, but it was changed because it wasn't very flattering and the name Tudur was common and sounded similar. So what was dirty about this mill? Well, sometimes people use water and clay in the process of fulling to help remove the oils from the wool. This mixture would probably make quite a mess and possibly run into the stream, which is potentially where the original name came from. So the name literally means Tudur's fulling mill. Anyway, diolch, thank you. Give us a like, give us a share and give us a subscribe. And if you want to support me on my quest to explain every place name in Wales, and a couple outside of it as well sometimes, you can on my Patreon. The link's in my bio. Diolch. Have a good one.